Hello, here we are with an unboxing of the HTC car upgrade kit for the Desire S, also known as the HTC CUS470. Now whilst we're demonstrating this for the Desire S, the car upgrade kits that are device specific follow a same design ethos and work in very much the same way. This is the official retail packaging. So let's take a look at what you get in the box. So in the box you get several components. First of all, you get a little instruction manual. Of course this is specific to the Desire S, but depending on the device you've got, that will be specific to your device. You then have some instructions demonstrating how to set up the car kit and also how to mount it within the car kit itself. We then have an HTC CC-C200 car adapter with a full USB port on the top there, into which we connect the provided USB cable, like so. Now with the generic kit, rather than a coiled cable, you do get an extended length of straight cable that has a micro USB connection on the other end for charging your HTC device. We also have attached a suction cup for the cable to help with mounting and positioning within a vehicle. We then have an adapter plate. So this is designed to have a sticky piece on the back which we can stick to our dash, and the car mount can mount to if you would prefer. That's entirely optional. Of course, the car mount itself can adhere to a windscreen if you would prefer. So on the base here, we've got the suction cup. We've got a micro USB connection here, so you'll connect the cable provided for charging. We twist this when actually on the windshield for locking it in place. We've got an arm that can rotate here with a ball joint for moving the device. We then have the device specific holder. So this will vary depending on your HTC device, but you'll have a holder for the device, and then you'll have a connection that goes into the port for charging. So let's take a look at it in action. So we're now in the car. We've connected up the charger to the vehicle power adapter. We then have our length of cable, which will in turn connect to the cradle itself. We then have a suction cup which you can move along the cable should you choose to help with wiring the cable within your vehicle. To mount it to the windscreen, we push it firmly against the glass and twist to put it in position like so. We then take our device, line up the charging port, push firmly down and connect in, and your device is now mounted on the windscreen. To remove, we simply untwist and pull on this tab here. So we've now got the device specific car kit installed. We've got our charging cable, we've got the suction piece here to keep the cable tidy. Now you can obviously position that better with your device. Whilst this is the Desire S demonstrated, the car kit principle works exactly the same for other devices and generic car kits. You then have this plate that came in the kit as well, and if you chose, you could stick that to your dashboard like so, and rather than mounting on the windscreen, it would then mount onto this plate. So let's take a look at it in action. So we're just going to drive along and see how much the car kit wobbles. Now we went down a curb there, and you'll see that the device remained firmly in position. Really not much movement at all. So we're now driving up a fairly straight road, no bumps whatsoever. You can see that the car kit is not phased at all. We're now just going to take the device down a bumpy road. Here we come across a bump at 20 miles an hour. No movement in the car kit whatsoever. We'll just proceed along a bump at 30 miles an hour. So in actual fact the car moves more than the device in the mount itself. Lovely and stable.